Wow! You've printed it? But how is it possible for you to do it? It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of a cake? My father is the apple of my eye. What about you? You've gotten A plus in your exam? That's really great. Break a leg. Hello there, this is me Bijayadash and welcome back to my YouTube channel Bijayada.net. How are you all? I'm doing great by the grace of Almighty God and I hope you are doing great too by the grace of Almighty. So today is going to be not only a very important presentation for you guys but also it's going to be a very interesting presentation for you. Because today in this presentation I'll talk about some important, some essential and some interesting phrase with you guys that will help you a lot to communicate with a person with a great manner, with a great way, and it will also help you to make a person so much confused. So at first, I'll pronounce all of the phrase and then you will pronounce after me. So no more talking, less determination. Piece of cake. Does it mean a piece of a cake? No, it doesn't. So what does it mean? It means something is very easy and peasy to do for you. In our life, we all have some easy and peasy work to do. And you can use this phrase called piece of cake when a work will be very easy and peasy to do for you. This phrase called piece of cake used to indicate about to give a short introduction about the word that is really easy and peasy to do for you. So you can use this phrase called piece of cake to give a short introduction about the word that is really easy and peasy to do for you. So this phrase called piece of cake used to use to know about, to educate about the word that is something is very easy and peasy to do for you. For example, wow, you've printed it? But how is it possible for you to do it? It's a piece of a cake. It's a piece of a cake? Yeah, it means this work is very easy and peasy to do for the person. This is really easy and peasy. Now it's time to go for another example. I can solve this sum. It's a piece of cake for me. So you can use this phrase called piece of cake to give a short introduction about the work that is really easy and peasy to do for you. Now it's time to go for another phrase. That is apple of one's eye. It means your favorite person. The phrase called apple of one's eye, it means the favorite person of you. So in our life, we all have some favorite person. Not only some, we all have our favorite person. We all have a favorite person in our life. It can be your father, it can be your mother, it can be your daughter, it can be your sister, it can be your brother, like this. So you all have some favorite person in your life. So you can use this phrase called apple of one's eye to give a short introduction about your favorite person. According to me, my father is my favorite person. So I can tell you that my father is the apple of my eye. That means my father is my very favorite person and is my not only very favorite person but I also love my father a lot. So here I can say that my father is the apple of my eye. What about the apple of eye of yours? Please write in the comment section if you want. Now it's time to go for another example. David is the apple of his mother's eye. David is the apple of his mother's eye. That means David is a very favorite person of his mother. Now it's time to go for another phrase that is break a leg. Am I telling you to break a leg of yours? No, it's not like that. So what does it mean? This phrase called break a leg, it means wishing someone for their good luck. So if you want to wish someone for their good luck, you can use this phrase called break a leg very easily to wish someone for the good luck. So the phrase is break a leg. Break a leg. It doesn't mean that am I telling you to break your leg? It's not like that. It means wishing someone for the good luck. For example, you've gotten A plus in your exam? That's really great. Break a leg. Now it's time to go for another example. That is, Sunny, I know you can do it. Just have a go and break a leg. So you can use these types of phrase in your daily life to make a person so much confused. And more phrase will help you to build your vocabs, to enrich your vocabulary. So I hope you will also practice these 3 phrases in your daily life to make a person confused and to enrich your vocabulary. So guys, this is all for today. Next time I'll come up with another interesting presentation. And if you want to get my whole live presentation and live presentation, not only live, but if you want to get my whole video presentation, you can also follow me on my Facebook page, Vijaya English Presentation, and you can also subscribe my channel, vijaya.net. And if you like this presentation, so please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, vijaya.net, and of course press the bell icon for my next video. And now it's time to go. Next time I'll come up with another interesting video presentation. Till then, bye bye.